Hi, hello, welcome to the School Science. I am Jadeesha Nadavi. Today we are going to discuss about some important concept that is more about the salts. This is from Acids, Bases and the Salts, 10th Standard Science, English Medium. More about the salts. We know that salt is a mineral. It is formed by the combination of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide solution. This is called the sodium chloride. How the sodium chloride is obtained? It is obtained by the combination of hydrochloric acid, it is a strong acid, and sodium hydroxide, it is a strong base. This is the salt we use in our food. Salt of a strong acid and a strong base are neutral with pH value 7. As we know, strong acid and strong base. What is a strong acid? If the acid is completely dissociated into its ions when dissolved in water, it is the strong acid. In the same way, what is a strong base? If the base is dissolved in a water, it is completely dissociated into its ions when adding in the water, it is called the strong base. In the same way, strong acid and the next one is weak acid. What is the weak acid? The name itself indicates weak acid. If the acid is added to the water, if it is dissociated partially, it is called the weak acid. In the same way, weak base, we can define the weak base in the same way. Next, hence sodium chloride is a neutral salt because it is formed by a strong acid, that is hydrochloric acid, and a strong base, that is sodium hydroxide. Let me know examples for strong acid: HCl hydrochloric acid, nitric acid HNO3, sulfuric acid H2SO4. These are the important strong acids. Next, come to the examples for weak acid: acetic acid CH3COOH, oxalic acid C2H2O4 or H2C2O4. Next, examples for strong base: as we know, sodium hydroxide, that is a strong base, NaOH, KOH, potassium hydroxide, lithium hydroxide, LiOH, etc. Examples for weak base: ammonia is an example for weak base. Its chemical formula is NH3, pyridine C5H5N, methylamine CH3NH2. These are the examples for weak base. Seawater contains many salts dissolved in it. Sodium chloride salt is also found in seawater. Solid salt of a seawater or large crystals are often brown due to impurities. This is called the rock salt. It is also known as halotite. Rock salt is mined like a coal. Mahatma Gandhi started his freedom struggle through the salt Satyagraha. It addresses the importance of salt and the importance of salt in the freedom struggle. The common salt, that is sodium chloride, thus obtained, is an important raw material for various materials of daily life, such as sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder, and many more. We can see in the next video how one substance is used for making all these different substances. Thank you.